I have got this crazy cool new project I am working on, and I came to realize I needed me some really good quality 3D clay gels. And where better to get it than Sweetie? And of course, lucky for me, they had a Valentine's flash sale. And so I did it. And this is what we got. Yay! Of course, while I was shopping, couldn't just get the clay gels that I needed. So I have also picked up the First Street Fluffy Cat set because I was really excited about it. It was on sale and there was a flash sale on top of that. How could I resist? I've always been wanting some more fluffy type polishes, and they were like 80 bucks or something like that after the sale stuff. We got some First Street Fluffy Cat, and we've got some JIN.B Seoriyam 3D multi-kit, Ivy 3D multi-kit. And I got the full set because I don't know what colors exactly I'm going to need for all of this. Sweetie was super awesome and sent me this MAYO Glass Top Gel to try out. Because I've been using my MAYO Zombie Top Gel for chrome. It has been fantastic to chrome over, but it's super thick. And so for me, that's not quite ideal when I'm chroming because I'm usually doing all kinds of different layers. So I was hoping for a no wipe top gel that was going to be as good as this one is for chrome, only a bit thinner consistency. And they recommended this MAYO Glass Top Gel. Apparently they are sister companies. So they said this is likely to work really well to chrome over, and it's going to be a little bit thinner consistency, which is kind of what I'm going for. So I'm hoping that's the case. It'll be exciting to try and see. So 3D clay gels was not something I was ever expecting that I would be going for. I just didn't really see myself as much of a sculptor, and I'm not really into like the cutesy kind of like junk nails and such. So yeah, I just didn't see it really being a thing for me. But this project that I'm working on has all kinds of 3D elements and not your cutesy typical ones. So I will be showing that project off probably at a later time. And hey, why not have clay gels? I did have a cheapie set that I'd picked up years ago on Amazon for like 20 bucks or something. And I did try playing with that, but it's super sticky. You can't roll it out flat the way you want to. So it just wasn't quite doing what I needed it to do. So instead I bought these. And of course, once I started sculpting, damn, I realized this is further up my alley than I had really expected because I cannot paint. Painting is not my forte. Drawing is not my forte, but I love to sculpt. I used to do sculpty clay stuff all the time. I would, of course, follow patterns from books and stuff like that, but I used to make some really, really nice sculpty sculptures and loved playing with it until I got bored and moved on to something else. And so sculpting actually works for me. Like, it's something I can do. And surprisingly, this little project I've been working on is coming together so nicely because I can sculpt it. So that is cool because it works way better for me than trying to paint or draw out stuff. So this one here is the, I don't know if they have names for each of the, you can buy each of these separately. And I think each of them has their own little name. Let me see. So we have 4 different ones. They each have different colors. This one here is Bingsu, and it has some really fun, bright colors in there. There's 20 grams per container. So I'd say there's 5 grams of each clay inside of there. And it's a really firm clay. It's not like an embo gel where it's really soft and kind of like just a really thick polish gel that levels out. This looks like it's going to be much thicker like a clay and hold its shape, which is really what I needed. So those are some really pretty colors. So that one's Bingsu. Then we have ice cream. I'm going to guess that we've got browns and stuff in here. Yeah. So we got brown, white, pink. Now this yellow, I don't know if it's just like something on the coating or what, but it looks almost like it has a hint of a sparkle in there, like a glitter. That'll be interesting to see if that's actually the case. I'm not sure. But the layer on top looks like there's a tiny shimmer inside there. This one here is Cupcake. And oh, looks like you got your standard red, black. Again, that white looks like it has a bit of a shimmer. It's interesting. And I think they all have, yeah, so that one's white and it's like a totally flat white, right? Nothing to it. This one, white again. And yeah, like that's a totally flat white. But this white definitely looks like it has a shimmer effect in it, which is cool. And then you've got like a peachy tone, red and black. And I knew they all had white in them. This one should have a white too, which is great. Oh, this one actually doesn't. It has a pink. I thought it was going to have a white too. So there's another yellow, but this one doesn't have that glittery effect. You can kind of see that shimmer. I don't know how well the camera's picking up that shimmer, but a bold yellow and a very muted pastel yellow. I may have mixed up the lids. I don't know. So yeah, then yeah, we got ice cream, we got cupcake, we got donut, we got bingsu, and I may have mixed up. I'd have to double check. So then this last one has a really good brown, which is what I'm needing to make something that looks like a leather fabric. And there's also a yellow, a rosy pink, and a very, very pastel peachy pink. There, now you can see the brown. It looks kind of black like that, but it's a really nice brown. It's going to be perfect for what I need. I'm so excited, guys. Oh, my project is going to come together so well now, I think. I have so many cool 3D elements that I'm working on that are like really kind of complicated. Not just your average kind of cutesy charm, that's for sure. So then the other package here is First Street. This is Fluffy Cats. I've really been on this kick for a while now of the fluffy type polishes. So these are, oh, there is a hint of a sparkle in there, but it's got that fiber for like sweater nail looks. Not that I do a lot of sweater nails, but I don't know, I'm just really fascinated with that glitter effect in there of the like strands. And then this one has a very, very light shimmer glitter too. Yeah, and the glitter matches the outside of the bottle. And I do have one already from F-Gel, and I love it, but it has lots of glitter in it. So it kind of loses the actual like sweater-like effect. So I was kind of hoping for something that had a little less of the glitter and a little more of the fiber. These are beautiful. Oh, I'm so excited. And I've been eyeballing some from JIN.B. They're like called the alpaca series. Alpaca as in like the animal with fur. And they look adorable. Super adorable. But they're older, much older sets, and I have to like kind of track them down and decide if I want to be picking them up. Oh, that's so pretty. So I thought I'd check these ones out first. They look like they're going to be really milky too, which I love. Beautiful. So that's my Sweetie Nail Supply order, and I'm really, really happy with it. Yay! I can't wait to get started. I'm working on this project now for the next probably 2 weeks. It's going to take me to actually get all 10 nails finished in the way that I want. So I have what I need now, hopefully. And I won't be using this set in it, but I'm still excited to have gotten it because it was one that I wanted. So yeah, hopefully you guys enjoyed that. and are curious to see what these are going to be like and what they're going to do. They're not new. This is not a new product. It's from a few years ago, but it looked like the best product that was going to work for me. I know Sissy clays are usually really good too, and a lot of people use those, but I don't think Sissy is a brand that Sweetie carries, and I didn't want to have to order from the States. So I kept it here in Canada, and I really love JIN.B products. So hopefully these are going to be as good as I think they are. If you haven't already, remember, subscribe, like, and share all that good stuff, and it helps my channel grow. And that is amazing. And I can keep doing this and keep putting these videos out and keep showing cool products. So don't forget. As per usual, I will put the links for all of this down below in the description box. And if there's no sale going on, you can always use my code LYN to get 10% off of your order. These look like they're going to be so much fun. And hopefully I will have a video up soon where I'm using them, even if it's just little bits and pieces of my project as I go along. Thanks again, Sweetie Nail Supply, for this top coat. I'm excited to check it out and see how it does with my chromes. And I can't wait to swatch this fluffy cat set. All right, guys, hope you're having a good one. Thanks again for watching my videos. And of course, until next time, don't forget to love your nails. Bye.